Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great trading week. Oh shit, let me turn on my camera real quick. All right, you guys should be able to see me now. But what's up, guys? Haven't been live for a couple days, couple weeks already. My apologies for that. Just been a little busy traveling. But today, let's check out today. Today is Monday, November 20th. We have no news today currently. Only thing we've got today is CB leading index and German PPI. I don't think German PPI will impact the markets much. Maybe the European markets, but not. I don't think it'll impact much of the U.S. markets. But let's see what we got at 10 a.m. CB leading index, right? It is a change in level of composite index based on the 10 economic indicators released monthly about 20 days after the month ends, and doesn't really tell us why traders care, but it is designed to predict the direction of the economy, but it tends to have muted impact because most of the indicators used in the calculation are released previously. Okay. So I definitely will be trading before this news comes out. Let's take a look at investing.com, see if we've got anything else. Let's see how our indices closed last week and how they could possibly open this week. I know we do have Thanksgiving Thursday, we have Black Friday on Friday, so typically we have those 2 days as holidays over here in the US. And just to confirm, guys, I always encourage you guys to check it out, confirm bank holiday, and then Friday it does not say bank holiday, so maybe the markets will be open. I don't recall if last year markets were open on Friday after Thanksgiving, but I'm pretty sure there's little to low volume, although we do have red folder news on Friday. So Thursday definitely no volume since banks are closed. And what else? That's the only bank holiday that we've got. We've got FOMC meeting tomorrow, Tuesday. Wednesday we have unemployment claims and revised UOM consumer sentiment. Natural gas storage for those natural gas traders, oil traders. And Friday we got flash PMI. All right, let's check out investing.com. Let's go to major indices. Now, investing.com is pretty cool because I just use it for my indices, because I am an indice trader as well. So it is very important for me to stay up to date with my indices and see how they're performing. Last week, Friday, we closed positive with NASDAQ, S&P 500, and the Dow Jones. Dow Jones currently up 1.81%. Let's see, change percentage. Actually, 0.01%. S&P 500 up 0.13%, and NASDAQ 0.08%. Overall, for the year, they're up more than 1%. As you can see, Dow Jones currently up almost 2%, S&P 500 up 6%, and NASDAQ up 11, almost 12% on the year. That is pretty outstanding data. So let's see if we can continue this trend or if we will see reversal in the markets. I have been shorting the markets. I haven't been doing so well shorting the markets, but I am expecting NASDAQ to have a reversal. Now we do see the US dollar currently at 103. Not a couple weeks ago, month or two ago, we were trading at 107, rejecting that 107 level. Now we're trading underneath 105. As long as we continue to trade underneath 105 and continue this downward trend, we should see bearish movement in the markets. At least as long as the dollar keeps this downtrend on course, right? Let's see. A couple things that I'm expecting out of the US dollar this week. Now, there probably won't be much volume, but I am anticipating a little retest to come and tap this level of resistance that we've got here to possibly range and respect this trend to possibly continue to the downside. Now, obviously, that is not what's most. It's not what is most certainly gonna happen, but it's what's most probable to happen, right? We do have this level of resistance off this 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame as well, just so we could see it a little bit much clearer. Let me get my cross, drag along, and we do have this 4-hour trend line, also downtrend trend line, valid on the daily time frame as well. So it does seem valid. It does seem like this downtrend is valid. Now let me see if I can find the channel. The channel would be right around here. As you can see, we have our higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So let's see if we can make a lower high. Right now we're seems to like we're making this lower low, breaking market structure to the downside as we've already done so. And let's see if we can continue this downtrend movement. 4-hour time frame, we're currently at 103,500, right? As long as we respect this level right here at 104, we should be good. We could expect retests these couple days or couple hours at 104, but I am anticipating us to respect that 104 level. I'm currently in no trades right now, guys. I'm just analyzing the markets right now as we speak. So I am looking for trades at the moment. So but first we gotta analyze the markets. I'm not gonna jump in a trade without having analyzed the markets. That's very important, guys. Always be prepared. You never want to get caught lacking. Now let me just come over here. All right, let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, you can also see that we have very little volume with the size of these candles, guys. So for those of you guys who are currently in drawdown with your accounts, it's okay to stay cash for this week. Wait for the next week. You don't have to trade this week. There's no clear volume at the moment. We have this trend line over here that we seem to be sort of respecting. I'm gonna leave it just in case it plays out, or if I see breakout of this trend line. But you don't always have to be in a position, guys, especially with a week like this week that it's Thanksgiving week. Friday is Black Friday. People will be shopping, spending their money, spending holidays with the family, not working. Jobs will close for the day or two. There maybe not be much volume in the markets. So why would you be in a position with such little volatility? And we need that volatility as traders to push price to those levels that we needed to get to, right? Without volume, we're just in that consolidated area and just in a range, right? And it may be stressful because a trade that may only supposed to be for 15 minutes, 30 minutes may end up lasting for 30 minutes to an hour, or maybe hours or days. So it's very important that you guys understand that you don't have to trade every day. Cash is also a position. Cash is king. And just be patient. Patient rewards traders. So alright, guys, so let's take a look at NASDAQ now. NAS 100. Let's see what our friendly indices is doing. Let's go to the daily time frame. NASDAQ has been surprising me lately. We have the US dollar currently on a downtrend. Now, one thing to keep in mind with NASDAQ, we're here trading at 15,000. We've rejected that 16,000 level. 16,000, I believe, would have been the golden entry for sales, but anywhere near here is also golden entry for the past couple weeks. As you can see, the last 4 weeks, we've only been bullish on NASDAQ. We've only seen bullish candles, bullish confirmation. Now, I don't understand why. Well, I do understand why. With interest rates, with inflation going up, and consumers spending around the holidays, it is a good time for stocks to go up. If you look at NASDAQ, we've only been going up. And let's go to investing.com where we can see all the stocks in NASDAQ, right? We can see that they're outperforming the markets. So now what's a little weird here is that the US dollar is on downtrend movement, right? We can see the US dollar performing how it's supposed to be, but NASDAQ, I think it's just the holidays, guys. I don't think it's anything else. CPI has been going up as well. CPI data does not match this Nasdaq. Let's go here to DXY. CPI isn't matching what Nasdaq and the US dollar are both doing, but let's take a look at this. So we have typically when the US dollar is melting, we see it sort of correlating with Nasdaq, but in this case it's not correlating, right? We've seen Nasdaq bullish. This is the DXY, but we've also seen the same chart pattern on Nasdaq, right? Let's take a look at Nasdaq now. For the past couple weeks, let's actually go to the weekly time frame. Yeah, weekly time frame. For the past couple weeks, we've only been bullish with the US dollar, right? Same thing with Nasdaq. For the past couple weeks, we've only been bullish with Nasdaq. So why are we seeing this sudden breakout of the channel to the upside? Why are we seeing bullish trends on Nasdaq? I believe it's the holidays. Every season when we get to the holidays, people like to shop, and the more people shop, the more a stock will perform on the upside, right? If we as after holidays, we can possibly see with correlating with the elections around the corner, we could possibly see that correction that the market is supposed to be having, but we must be patient until then, right? Stay prepared, capitalize off of these levels, off the weekly time frame, daily time frame. These are golden entries, guys. I'm not telling you to short the markets. I'm just telling you that this is an area where I am willing to short the market and stay on my position, right? If we can short the market from 15,900 and hold our position, or 16,000 level where we're currently at right here, right? And hold our positions, have a nice stop loss, preserve our capital and manage our risk correctly, we can possibly see some nice gains in our favor, you know. All right, let's see. Now Nasdaq, we can see some type of correction to this next level of support, which is right around here at 15,000, right? We rejected that 16,000 level. We're seeing little volume for this week, although the week just currently opened. We have 4 days left for candle closure, so there's not much volume in the markets yet. Now let's see if we can, we're sort of ranging at the moment. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. We're just in this range, as you guys can see. So safe sells underneath 15,750 and safe buys above 16,000. Now buys are extremely risky for me, so I think I would rather miss out on the buys. You know, if I'm swinging positions, long term, short term positions, that's okay. But for now, I'm just gonna wait for those sells to play out, capitalize off of them. Underneath 15,750 is where I'm getting in my sells. Seems pretty clear. Also, we have this daily trend line. So currently with where it's currently trading, so let's see what type of reaction we get off of this trend line. Will we continue to range with breakout range, or will we break out? And also, guys, let's take a look at what we've got here. We've got two confluences here. If you guys can take a look, we've got a level of support, and we've got support of trend line. Right now, if we can break out of the trend line to the downside and respect this level of support and respect the support of trend line, we could see two confluences as one, and you know, that can be a confirmation that sell-off is about to happen in the markets. Guys, give me 1 minute. Gotta charge my computer before it dies on you guys. Can't be looking for trades and have my computer die, especially if I'm in a trade. You don't understand how many times that's happened to me. But let me just do this real quick. Are you guys in any trades at the moment? I'm not in any trades. I'm just waiting as we speak, guys. I also wanted to tell you guys there's a possibility that I might be trading London session from now on and New York session, just for like an hour to 2 hours each session. You know, so London session has some pretty good volume, and I want to capitalize off of it. But also sometimes I'm up at that time as well, so figured why not. But for now, I'm just sticking to New York session. Let me connect this real quick. Alright, we're ready. Computer's definitely not dying now. Alright, let's take a look at the 4 hour now on NASDAQ. 4 hour on NASDAQ, seems like we're in that range as well. Although we could see some type of movement start to happen soon. Now we've got 33 minutes left for the 4 hour candle closure on NASDAQ, so let's be patient for now. I want to see how we react around this candle closure. Also, markets are opening in about an hour till New York market session opens. So let's see. Let's just stay patient for now. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame in case there's anything. Same thing, we're in this 1 hour range. We're starting to see volume kick in. Now I do see here 1 hour sort of a breakout. We have this range that we had previously about a couple hours ago. We broke out of that range. We saw a nice candle confirmation. These sells could play out nicely, especially capitalize off of 500 pips. But let's see guys, let's see what spreads are like. Let's see what the spreads are like on NASDAQ real quick. NAS 100, here we go. So we have sells at 838, 839, and it's at 842. Yeah, the spreads are pretty good. Now let's just wait 30 minutes for this candle closure. But I do like we did have a nice breakout of a range with strong candle closure to the downside, and let's see if this current candle can close below previous lows. If so, we can possibly see our gravestone soldier pattern start to form, which is three bearish candles back to back, which is a nice candlestick confirmation for sells. Although we might be a little late, which is why I'm going to wait 30 minutes. I've checked my spreads. Spreads seem to be good. Now we just wait, right? We're not going to rush this trade. This is the first trade of the week. I don't want it to be a losing one. I want it to be a winning one, and I'd rather see no trades before I take a losing trade. So patience pays, guys. Now that we've checked NASDAQ, let's take a look at gold real quick. Let's see what gold is up to. I haven't traded gold in a minute. 1971. Let's see, I think we've got some type of trend line action over here. 1971, guys. Gold rejected this 2000 level again. 1992. It seems like we're failing to break 2000, guys, and I don't know when we'll break 2000, but when we do break 2000, we did break 2000 over here on November 3rd, but again, we respected that 2000 level. We've respected 2000 several times. As you can see, we'll trade $8 above 2000, but then we just come back and reject it massively. I guess price isn't ready yet. Price isn't ready. But let's see, we've got here some high time frame level of support as well. Coming off the 1 hour time frame, let's go to the daily time frame to confirm. Yep, we do have a nice level of support over here. Now we do have a lot of reaction at this level, and that is why it is a let me get out of here real quick. Now we do have a lot of reaction at this level, so that is why it's a valid level of support, right? Look at the amount of reaction we've got around here. We've got breakouts and rejections around this level. Currently we're trading over here with a bearish, strong bearish candle. So let's see what type of reaction we get. Also seems like we're forming lower lows and lower highs again, but I don't think we'll continue to see. I don't think we'll see 1900 again or 1800s. If we do, I don't know. Markets aren't ready yet, I guess, to break. But I am bullish on gold overall for this year. I am bullish on gold. If you are swinging gold positions, you know, just make sure you're managing your risk properly, so you're not getting margin called by your positions. And just be patient, guys. That's all I can say. But I am anticipating gold to break record highs. Record highs being at 2076, 2067 current record highs. Let's see what else we've got here. Do we have a trend line over here? We'll leave that there for now. We can remove this over here. This we can remove. Alright, so we've got our levels of support and resistance off the daily time frame. Let's see what else we've got. Another level. We can put another level of support over here. So we've got our chart. Let me remove our minor levels of support and resistance for now. Alright, now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Look, this is one thing I like about gold. Gold, when you can see those trend lines, is pretty nice. Now look at this, guys. Pay attention to this. We do have very little volume at the moment. So look at the amount of volume we had a couple weeks ago compared to the type of volume that we're seeing now. So we're seeing the size of these candlesticks be less and less, right? We're seeing the trend smaller and smaller. Now we could anticipate some type of reaction, big reaction to the downside or to the upside, but we must be patient and prepared for those reactions, right? In the meantime, we've got 27 minutes left for the 4-hour candle closure, so let's wait and see what type of closure we get before we enter any positions. Gold currently at 1970, so let's see if we can. Honestly, liking the buys so far, but it's a little too early for me. I'm 30 minutes too early for any entries yet. Let's see if the buys can play out though. Open for buys and sells, guys. I'm not limiting myself to only buys, but so far what I'm seeing right now is I want to see a retest, right? And I want to see us react. I want to see what type of reaction we get around this trend line, supportive trend line, to possibly ride price to the upside. But if we're gonna continue this trend this minor trend that we've got here, we could expect sell off for the next couple hours, or we could expect price to just range, right? Let's see. Let's go to 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. We're starting to see breakout out of this current range. I'm already too late in it. Currently we're down 20 pips from 1970, so I'm in a little too late. But what we can do to capitalize off of this position, guys, damn, 40 pips almost. What is going on? There's no news. I guess I analyzed it too late, but let's see what happens. Nice 25 pip stop loss. 1-to-1 would have been hit already. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Now, we want to see this type of closure, right, on the 4-hour candle. So if we can see this type of closure off the 4-hour candle, it'd be pretty nice. 40 pip melts, and just within seconds, guys. We were just analyzing this. We were just analyzing gold, and we saw it drop 50 pips, like it's water. So that was crazy. I guess we do have volume on gold, but let's see, 6 a.m. No, there's nothing going on at the moment that can bring volume to the markets right now. That's a little weird, but let's see. We must be patient. Let's take a look. What else we've got here? Let's take a look at NASDAQ again. Let's have our NASDAQ chart open. This one, let's make our chart neater now. I do want this. We can remove this. I do want to leave that channel there just as a reference. Our chart looks much neater now. This is our yearly trend line, so we'll leave that as well, just as another sort of reference. But guys, this is what I'm seeing here, right? We have, for the whole year we've been bullish, right? We broke out, right? Formed like a low. Now this could be our lower high, to then come and break market structure and form a lower low, to then come over here, test this lower high to continue the trend, right? So that's why, guys, this trade could be a massive one. Now it's not gonna happen anytime soon. These types of trades, you must be prepared for them, and they come once every couple weeks, every couple months. In this case, if that were to happen, we're only seeing 16,000. You know, I don't see us breaking 16,000. There's no way we'll break 16,000. And if we do break 16,000, we'll probably range there, just how we did over here this December of 2021. But it's been 2 years since we've seen, almost 3 years since we've seen 16,000 level, or 17,000 level, better yet said, because last time we traded at 16,000 was on July 17, 2023. So about almost 6 months ago, 5 months ago. Before that, it was 3 years ago, 2 years ago. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's see. Gold. Jesus Christ, gold is just fucking melting. I see it would have been in this trade 20 pips out of impulse, but I was just too late, guys. And I'm not the type of person to rush a trade. I don't like to get in trades impulsively. So if it wasn't meant to be, it wasn't meant to be. It's just that simple, guys. Like I said, it's the first day of the week. We have holiday this week, Thanksgiving, so there probably won't be much opportunities in the market, but we must be prepared for those opportunities that present them to us, as long as we're not, getting them impulsively. Let's see what else we've got. US 30, I don't really want to check US 30, just want to focus on NASDAQ and gold. Are you guys in any trades at the moment? Let me know what trades you guys are in. If you guys are in gold, GJ, if you guys are in the crypto. How was your weekend, guys? My weekend was pretty good. Had a pretty good weekend. It's been a great week overall. I just came back from a trip. So that shit was fun. Anybody who hasn't been to Brazil, I definitely recommend you guys go check it out. That shit is fun as fuck. Alright, seems like we're rejecting. Seems like we'll possibly come and retest. For anybody who was already in this trade, it was a great trade. Hopefully you capitalize off of this little setup that we just saw. Breakout. It was like a little breakout trade. So anybody who got it, who was in it, hopefully you capitalize off of it. Make sure you put your stop loss to break even. You shouldn't lose off of this trade at all. Shouldn't lose this trade, guys. Guys, also just to let you guys know, I will be announcing my new bot that I'm launching soon. Currently in the works of adjusting it, making sure it's right so it doesn't have any issues when it comes to servicing you guys, and I want you guys to have the best service possible with the best maintenance, automatic maintenance, so you guys don't have to worry about any of that. So stay tuned for that, guys. I will let you guys know when it is ready. In the meantime, guys, we're just sticking to manual trades only, old school. Let's see. Nasdaq, there's nothing happening in Nasdaq, guys. It's just there. Look. This is why we don't remember about 5-10 minutes ago I was talking about this little breakout that happened, and then we could possibly take Nasdaq for a little 500 pip ride. Good thing we didn't get in this trade. This is why we're not impulsive. Good thing we were waiting for the 4-hour candle closure. There's nothing clear yet, there's nothing clear, then it's not worth getting in. Let's move this right around here. This is a nice range, really nice range. We're not in this trade at least as well. We'd be getting remember, guys, we were late in this trade, so good thing we're not in it. We would be pretty much at break even. Now we'd possibly be seeing drawdown as we speak, so Patience, guys, patience. I've been more patient over the years. I my first few years trading, I was very impatient, right? Learned a lot from those impatient trades. So now there's days where I don't even trade just out of patience. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's see. For anybody who's new in this YouTube channel, guys, thank you guys for checking out my video, stopping by. Don't forget to give a like and thumbs up. Really means a lot to me. And let me know in the comment section what type of trader you are. If you're a swing trader, day trader, if you're a scalper, intraday trader. Also, let me know what type of currencies you trade, or what type of financial instrument you trade, right? Whether it's crypto, whether it's indices, whether it's stocks. Let me know, guys. I'm definitely curious to see what type of traders I've got in here as well. And also like making content around the type of content that you guys like to see. So let me know what type of content you like to see. I am posting my new vlog coming up soon, so stay tuned for that, guys. It is a pretty nice, entertaining vlog. And it's just, I know a lot of you guys can't travel, so I want you guys to travel with me. I want you guys to be part of the experience that I'm living, and seeing the new things that I'm seeing as well, discovering the new places that I go to, trying out new foods, learning new cultures. So definitely come travel with me, guys, and don't forget to give it a like, guys. Really, those likes mean a lot to me. It shows me that you guys are entertained, so that is why we streamers and traders ask for likes, just for the simple reason it's pretty much like our fuel. It's what fuels us to keep going. We don't get paid for this shit, we do it for free, but we do it for you guys, more importantly for us. So yeah, guys, Nasdaq currently, let's see, Nasdaq is still, like I said, guys, there's probably going to be little volume in the markets, but we're here to back each other up, right? Help each other be patient. Maybe there's somebody out here who is struggling with patience, and seeing this helps them be more patient. Or maybe even me. Maybe I'm a little impatient to get in a trade, but then being here with you guys helps me stay more patient. So we're here just chilling. Gonna wait for the 4-hour candle closure in 12 minutes. Markets open up in about 45 minutes. Vamos al gym a las 9. Que venga la noche. Estoy haciendo allí, tengo como 10 minutos más. Guys, I just started. Well, I didn't just start. Today's my first day fasting, a 7-day fasting program that I'm doing. So, wish me luck, guys. Wish me a lots of luck, because around day 2, day 3, I'll probably need it. But let's see how it goes. Definitely will be just drinking water, making sure that not consuming any sugars, any carbs, none of that shit. We don't need that shit for the next 7 days. So look, gold, here goes gold, rejecting at 1965, coming back, retesting 1970. Luckily we're not in this trade. We'd be in heavy drawdown as we speak. We'd be in drawdown here as well. And good thing we didn't get in the buys. The buys would have only given us 150, 170 pips, only 200 pips. Not worth it. Patience pays. Vamos en bicicleta. Yeah, oh yeah. All right. Alright guys, there's not a lot of volume in the markets right now. I'm gonna call it a live stream here, guys. I will be a lot more active this week for you guys, although there won't be much volume, but there we'll make some volume, right? We'll make the volume appear for us. Thank you guys for all that pulled up to the live stream. I'm gonna head to the gym right now, start my day, have a long day ahead of me, so can only stream for about an hour today. But guys, don't forget to give it a like. If you guys are new here, check out the Discord. It's completely free, guys. Completely free. I'm not asking you guys for any money. Just telling you guys, check it out. Hop on the Discord. It's completely free. A lot of people tell you to pay for the Discord. It's 75% off, 50% off. Fuck that shit. My shit's fucking free. And it won't be free for too much time. So take advantage now. Enjoy the free shit that I give you. Enjoy the free trades, free giveaways. Free trade ideas, free trade analysis, free Zoom meetings, free breakdowns, free everything. So enjoy, guys. Hope you guys have a great trading day, great trading week, and peace. See you guys tomorrow.